We have 2,242 divided by 59, so we need to work out our 59 times table. 59 is 1 times 59. If we add another 59, we get 118, so that must be 2 times 59. Adding another 59 gives us 177 for 3 times. Another 59 gives us 236 for 4 times, and then we get 295 for 5 times. So now that we've calculated to 5 times, let's look back at our question. Taking the first 2 digits together, we have 22 divided by 59. But 22 is less than 59, so let's take the first 3 digits together and divide 224 by 59. So we need a number in the 59 times table which is close to 224, but not more than 224. The closest number we have that's less than 224 is 177, because 236 would be too many. So we can write 177 below 224, and because that's 3 times 59, we can write 3 in our answer. Now we need to subtract and bring down. We can't do 4 minus 7, so go to the left, 1 less, 1 in front. 14 minus 7 is 7. We can't do 1 minus 7, so go to the left, 1 less, 1 in front. 11 minus 7 is 4, 1 minus 1 is 0. So now we can bring down the 2, and we have 472 divided by 59. But 472 is a lot more than even 295. But here, rather than adding 59 each time until we get to 472, what we can do is estimate our answer. So 295 is close to 300, and if we added 177 to that, we get a number close to our answer. So what we can do is take our answer to 3 times and add that to 295. So that will give us the answer to 8 times, because if we add the answer to 5 times and 3 times, we get the answer to 8 times. 5 plus 7 is 12, so 1, 2. 1 plus 9 plus 7 is 17, so 1, 7. And 1 plus 2 plus 1 is 4. So we know that 472 is exactly 8 times 59, which means that 8 must be the last digit of our answer. So here we didn't need to work out 6 times or 7 times. We were able to estimate and then just add the answer to 3 times to the answer to 5 times, and that gave us the answer to 8 times. Now we have 8,015 divided by 83. Now if we multiply 83 by 100, that would give us 8,300, because when we multiply a whole number by 100, we can just put 2 zeros on the end of that number. Now 8,300 is close to 8,015, so our answer will be close to 100. What we can do is subtract 8,015 from our answer to 100 times 83. We can't do 0 minus 1. We go to the left and we have a 0, so go to the left again. 1 less 1 in front, 1 less 1 in front. 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 minus 5 is 4, 2 minus 0 is 2, 8 minus 8 is 0. So what we can do now is count up in 83s until we get to 249. 83 is 1 times 83. If we add another 83, we get 166 for 2 times, and adding another 83 would give us 249 for 3 times. So when we subtracted our dividend From 8,300, we got the answer to 3 times 83. That means that our number must be the same as 97 times 83, because if you have 100 times 83 and you subtract 97 times 83, you'll get the answer to 3 times 83. So we don't need to use long division here. We know that our answer must be 97.